Dear students, today we start the chapter 14 statistics. Now, statistics is a branch of mathematics. Okay, it deals with some datas. It collect the data. You collect the data and you can make the different types of tables with that data, and you can represent that datas in graphically. You can represent that data. Now you see how can you make the table from the data, and whatever the data are collected, that data are called the raw data. Okay, now see the exercise, this 14.2, number 1. What is given? The blood group of 30 students of class 8 are recorded as follows. Represent this data in the form of a frequency distribution table. And why this is called the frequency distribution table? Because the frequency is how many times a group of data or some data are come, that is called the frequency. How many times it repeatedly comes. What is the most common and which is the rarest blood group among these students? Now how can you make it? See the data table you see. Now in this question, these are the blood group. Now you have to find out how many blood groups are there. Here A, B, O and AB. 4 blood groups are there. So you can make 4 groups. Now this is blood group. Blood group A, B, AB and O. Okay. Now how many times A comes in this table, in this data? You have to count. After counting, you find 9 times it is repeatedly come. The blood group A. Now 9 times it comes, that means this is the frequency. So whenever you make the table, one is for the group, another is for the frequency. That means frequency is how many times it comes. So A comes 9 times. And another one you have to make, that is called the tally mark. Whenever it is given to you, the table you have to make with using the tally marks, then you have to make this table. Otherwise, this column, otherwise no need to make this column. Okay. Now 9 times. How can you mark it? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is the 5. Okay. 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 bar is there. Have you seen? How can you make the bar? Give the bar 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 bar is there. Okay. Group, that means blood group B. After counting, you find it comes 6 times. So 6 is the frequency. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. AB comes 3 times. O comes this 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So like that you have to make the table using the data. These data are called the raw data. Okay. So using these data you can make the table using the tally marks. Okay. So like that you can make the table. See another example I have given you, that this one. Number 2. The distance in kilometer of 40 engineers from their residence to their place of work were found as follows. This is the data. Okay, how many kilometers the distance from their home to their workplace? These are the kilometer is given. Construct a group frequency distribution table. Construct a group frequency distribution table with class size 5. Now what is class size? I'm telling you. For the data given above, taking the first interval as 0 to 5. Okay, 0 to 5, and this is the group 0 to 5. How can you take the group? Okay. Now see. This is the data. Okay. So your group, it is 0 to 5. That means group like that 0 to 5. Then next group will be 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20 and so on. Now here it is given class size. Class size is 5. Now what is class size? Now see this table. This table, it is given in grouped way. This is the group. How you make the group? This group is 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15. This is the group, okay? And this is called the class interval. Class interval. This is called the class interval. Now the class interval here, this is called the 0 is lower limit, 5 is upper limit. 5 is lower limit, 10 is upper limit. Now in every row, these are called the limit. Two limits is there. Limit means from 0 to 5. Second one, 5 to 10. Not below 0, not more than 5. Okay, this is the limit. These numbers are the lower limit. These numbers are the upper limit. Okay. Now class size. What is class size? Class size is the difference between the lower limit and upper limit. Okay. So upper limit minus lower limit, it is equal to class size. Now here in this group, what is the class size? 5 minus 0 equal to 5, 10 minus 5 equal to 5, 15 minus 10 equal to 5, 20 minus 15 equal to 5. All the differences are 5. And always you remember, whenever you make the data, this class size should be same. This is called the class size or class height or class range. Okay. Now, from these data, you have to count the numbers 0 to 5. Now you see this one 0 to 5. How you have to count? From here you have to count from 0 to 5. In actually you can't count up to 5 because 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you count up to 5 in this row, then again it is repeatedly come here. So your data will be wrong. So you have to count from 0 to 4. Then you continue 5 to 9. Then continue 10 to 14, 15 to 19 and so on. Now you see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 5. Okay. So up to 4 you have to count here. So from here after counting up to 4 you find this frequency is 5. This is the tally mark. Again second row you have to count from 5 to 9. So 5 to 9 you find 11. Again this one 10 to 14 it will 11. Then 15 to 19 it will be 9 and so on. Clear? So this is the table using the class interval. This is in grouped way. You make the table. Q grouped way, here you make the group. It is a group. That means the class interval. Okay. So in grouped way you make the table. Here it is not grouped. It is particularly some particular thing is given, that is the blood groups. Okay. This is a group of something. Group of number is there. So this is grouped way. This is in particular some specific term is there for specific item is there here. Okay. So this is the difference table. Now see another table.